Good morning, everyone. Here is your fun fact of the day. Spotlight on sodium. The 11th lightest element that we know of comes from the Latin word for sodium carbonate, which is natrium. That's where the Na chemical symbol comes from. In medieval Latin, it actually refers to a headache remedy. Probably because people got dehydrated and lacked electrolytes back then when water wasn't so great, and when healthy and clean water was hard to come by. And even though sodium is the 6th most abundant element in the Earth's crust, it's, like potassium, very similarly highly reactive to water and air, and therefore almost never found in its natural pure form, and it has to be kept in things like mineral oil to keep it from reacting with the air and water around it. Sodium will actually ignite on water. If you got a chunk of sodium and you dropped it in a lake, you would get an explosion. It ignites, not quite fire in how we typically think of wood-burning fire, but there is a really hot chemical reaction that takes place that causes a sudden expansion in the air that looks like an explosion and will burn you. So all the heat there, pretty fiery. Sodium is vital in producing other elements like titanium, other compounds like sodium peroxide and sodium hydroxide, table salt even, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, borax, a big cleaning agent. And sodium is a vital element for plants and animals. It plays a major part in a lot of cellular processes and just existence. Sodium ions are the major cations. That is a positively charged molecule. It's a necessary thing for things like extracellular fluids. Breaking that down, extra meaning surplus, meaning even sometimes outside of, cellular, your cells, the very basic building blocks of what make up your body, fluid, the liquid. So it's necessary to be in the fluid around and in your cells. Not just for maintaining their health, but also helping them through many of the processes that they do, like osmosis, moving things in and out of the cells, and like mitosis, the cell division and replication that helps you to grow and heal. So be thankful for sodium. And if somehow you don't get enough, just add a bit of salt to your diet. Usually not a problem in America. American diets are usually pretty heavy on the salt. It's a natural preservative, and since we eat a lot of processed foods and foods that need to stick on the shelves for months at a time sometimes, there is a lot of salt in them. Or we just eat things like a lot of pig, because all forms of pig taste better with salt. Thank you for joining me for this fun fact of the day. See you again soon.